So now I am on Vector Studio. So now let's select the shape tool, left click, select the ellipse tool, and now hold shift key down and then create your circle. And now just make sure your circle doesn't have a fill. So if I left click here, if I change it here so it is black, just left click here. And for the outline it is 1, press enter. And now let's select the move tool. Make sure here the snapping is checked. So here are the features I checked. And now I'm just going to center it. So now Control J to duplicate your layer. And now hold the Control key and Shift key down and then scale down your layer. And now Control J again to duplicate it. So now as you can see it reduced the size because of the power duplicate feature in Affinity. So hold the Control key and Shift key down and then scale it up a little bit. So now I'm going to select the middle circle here, this one here, left click on it. And now let's select the pen tool, left click here. So now I'm going to left click here on this point here with the pen tool, left click. And then make sure to go straight. As you can see it snaps. And now I'm just going to create my line curve here. So I'm going to left click here outside, just outside of this circle. So here it is. Now if I select the move tool. So this line here has a 1 point stroke just as the rest of the shapes here. So I'm going to select it, left click on it. And now I'm going to left click on the gear icon, make sure to check the enable transform origin. And now I'm going to move my point here of the transform origin of the line here to the center. So I'm just going to left click and then drag it. So as you can see it snaps in the center. Make sure to select the line here and then press enter. This will open the move and duplicate window. So now left click here on duplicate to check it. Double click here on number of copies, change it to 2. And now for the rotation, double click and then change it to 120. Press enter. So here it is. It created 2 other layers, curves here. And now just click OK. And now I'm going to select all shapes here. I'm just going to drag over them with the move tool. And now let's select the shape builder tool, left click, select shape builder. So I'm going to left click on this one. So now we created one shape. I'm going to left click on this one. Second shape, I'm going to left click on this one, left click on this one, and then I'm going to left click on this one. So here it is. Now let's select the move tool. Now I'm going to change the colors here of each one of them. So I'm going to left click on the center here, left click here on the outline. Make sure to select the small circle here. I'm going to left click on this color here. So here's the HTML notation. And now I'm going to left click on this one. I'm going to change it to the red color. Going to left click here. So here's the HTML notation. I'm going to left click on this one. I'm going to change it to yellow. And then I'm going to left click on this one. And for this one, I'm going to change it to this green. So now here are the shapes here. So I'm just going to remove the rest. So you can still, for example, if you want to change this one here to white, I'm going to left click on it. And then, for example, I can change it to white. So here it is. We have the white circle. So I'm going to leave this one here, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select this one here, and then scroll down, hold shift key down, and then left click on this one to select all the layers. So now I'm just going to delete these layers selected. I'm just going to delete them. Click on this icon here. So here it is. And now I am on the move tool. I'm going to select all the shapes here, and then I'm going to group them. So click on this icon. And now I'm going to left click here. So here you can change, for example, the outline. I'm going to remove the outline.